Yeah, I'm late. It's that early and I'm late, so let's go. My backpack, this box, and I need my water. Door. So if you didn't watch the Corvette headlights, check it out because it looks so good. Dude, so early, so freaking early on a Saturday. Why we don't do for our friends. See you, Vet. Let me take the truck today. It's so dark, so dark. Okay, we are off to my friend's house, which I'm gonna review in a while. You probably know by now. Here's the light bar at night. Boom. So some people ask me, there you have. I normally drive like this because when there's nobody in the roads, I can definitely drive looking at it, like, you know, use the light bar with no problem. But if somebody's coming that way, I feel bad for them. But it's super bright, as you guys can see. I think that's the first time I recorded like something like that. Look, somebody's coming, so I'll turn it off. Now, on. See the difference? Well, I have a 2 hours drive. I better hurry up. My voice is still like a morning voice, as you guys can tell. We are going to Scott's Team 512 garage, I would say. And I'm gonna help him with some stuff. But before we are heading to a Cars and Coffee, if it doesn't rain, it's kind of really weird. It's not rainy, but it's not also super nice outside. I hope we can make it to the Cars and Coffee. I'm taking the Colorado today, and I'm so happy to do this. I took the truck for one show, I believe, last year, and that was it. This year, definitely I'm gonna take the truck to more car shows, especially when I do some things that I have stored for it. So, well, I'm almost there. When we get there, we're gonna hang out with Scott a little bit, and then we're heading to Cars and Coffee. Busy day for us, boys. An early one, busy one. Damn, I'm tired already, but I'm gonna make through. I just need some coffee, and we should be good to go. We're finally getting here after five hours driving, though. See how good a friend I am? You are welcome, Scott. If I got the right address and the right way, and if I don't get lost following my own GPS, I should be there in 2 minutes. I don't know if I can fit on his driveway, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I do. What's up? What's up?
What's going on, buddy?
How are you?
I'm good. Good to see you.
Good to see you. I was telling people that that 5 hours drive was killing me.
It was amazing. And you did it in like an hour and 45.
Yeah, exactly, yeah, it wasn't bad. That's because I'm driving a Colorado, I'm not driving a Vet.
And it's dirty.
It is.
Did you take the back roads? Look at this.
Yeah, it is. And it was super clean.
It looks better dirty. Don't you think?
It's
Isn't
a
this
truck.
The way this truck is supposed
It's
to
a
look
truck.
like this, right?
It's a truck, yeah.
Well,
yeah.
welcome to the Team 512 garage.
Thank you, thank you.
You can just park right here. Just leave it right here.
All right. Look at this. I drove like 1 hour 45 minutes, something like that. And look at this. This is what PA does for your car, right? In New Jersey, we don't have this thing. We are here at Team 512 Garage. You guys know him, so if you want to follow him, I'll leave a link in the description below. So he was nice enough to let me use his power wash, and we're gonna just give a little wash. Let me close this because it's important. Yeah, we're gonna give a little wash on this thing because it's bad. So we are heading to Cars and Coffee. He's taking the Vet, I'm taking the truck, and we'll see what's gonna happen. I got a car wash yesterday and it was bad. Just driving an hour and 45 minutes. That's how long it was from my house to his house. Now we are going to Cars and Coffee. Should be fun. We need to get coffee though because I need that extra energy. One thing I forgot to mention, dude, I don't know how is that possible, but it's so nice outside. I have a hoodie on, but dude, this is more than enough. Like, people are wearing t-shirts in January in PA. You know, what is that? So it was just a good day to be with Scott. I'm super excited for the day. I hope you guys stick around. So that's what I'm talking about. Food. I mean, it's not actually food, it's just like coffee, and thank to Scott that he provides to us.
All right, so now we've got some coffee. We need to head next door and get some calories. Although there's like nobody there. I can't imagine.
It's open? Dude, I cannot believe how nice it's outside. Cars and coffee, here we go. So a bunch of people though, it's so crazy how nice it's outside though. It's so nice, it's so nice. So glad to take the Colorado out. The thing is though, you guys saw I had to wash the entire thing. It's crazy. And the other thing is, why everybody comes here to talk with Scott? Nobody asked me about the Colorado. Why? No, I'm kidding. It's like a vet. How you cannot look at it. So, see that truck there? What do you guys think? It's a small truck? It's a big truck? Look at the size of this thing. Dude, this thing is huge. And it's a brand new Power Stroke. This truck's so big. I'll leave his Instagram here. He has a nice vet too, Andy. So this thing is a bit. It's open. I'm getting the keys. I'm driving back to New Jersey in a brand new F450. So do I know how to open this thing? So if you guys didn't know, look at this. This is so fancy. Oh my god, dude. I gotta tell you guys, when you have a truck like this with fully loaded this thing is so smells like new. The sunroof, that's one thing I really miss on my Colorado, is this sunroof kind of thing. And the leather on its inside, it's nice. It's nice. Thank you, Andy, for letting me, you know, get the keys. This thing is so nice. I'll try to. Dude. Oh, no sound. It's just so many technology in this thing. It's like, that's when you realize how small is the Colorado inside when you are in the truck like this. This thing is so comfortable, so much technology on it. The Colorado has some technology on it, but dude, this thing is like just like a beast, and it's so comfy. I don't know why people prefer like SUV over this, because dude, this is like you can fit like 3 comfortable people there. The leg room is just unbelievable and feels nice, you know, feels so nice. And of course it's like a huge truck, and this is a fully loaded, it's a platinum edition. I'm not a Ford guy, but dude, you gotta say this thing, all the you know, the switches are over here. Like, I think you can put like light bar and its own stuff. I'm not a Ford guy, so don't get mad on me if you don't know. If I'm not saying anything, it's not like proper or whatever, because this thing is just a beast. It's a beast. Thank you, Andy. I'm gonna leave his Instagram here. Give him a follow. You're gonna see a bunch of stuff. He's doing stuff with this thing. Dude, this thing is unbelievable, man. Yeah. I gotta say though, if one day I had a Ford, that would be the one for sure, 100%. This thing is a beast, and it's, can you imagine this thing with like bigger wheels and tires? Like, you don't need to be like a crazy offset because the fenders are so massive, but if you can get something big, it's like awesome. Dude, I don't know why people don't have a truck instead of SUV, because this thing is so comfortable inside, right?
Try the massaging seats?
Oh, no. You see, I told you guys I don't know anything about Fords. You have a massage seats? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, man. Fire it up. On the side, there's a little button here. See, like the adjustment? You push the little middle button here.
Dude, it's like, well, you know those chairs you have on the mall, like you swipe your car?
You're gonna have to put a quarter in for this one.
That's true. Just have to have gas on the tank.
That's it. Diesel.
Dude, that's so crazy. And you can drive with this thing, it doesn't stop.
Huh.
Look, I can stay here all day.
Dude, it's weird when you drive it and it starts going like this. You just like start crossing the line a little bit.
Can you change like the
So
oh, it's here, right?
They got so you're on the driver, you can go low and high.
Ah, got you.
Or you can turn like the bottom off or the top off.
Nice. I never saw this.
Yeah, it's a 20, so I ordered it back in August.
Oh yeah.
And then
Took a while too.
yeah, it got built in the middle, like beginning of November. And then I picked it up right before Christmas.
Do you have any plans for it? Like as far as like changing, I don't know, wheels and tires and stuff?
Yeah, like see how it's like.
Yeah, you're gonna level it?
I'm gonna level the front, and then I want to put a set of like 24 with 37-inch tires on it.
Gotcha. Dude, that thing has the seats you can get massage on. Did you know that? It's crazy.
That's after a hard day work.
Oh yeah.
You know?
That's a nice one.
You know those chairs you have on the mall, like you swipe the car and you
Oh yeah. You don't have to swipe a card, do you?
Yeah, no, just have to fill it up the tank.
The passenger seat, I bet Andy charges for a massage on the passenger seat though.
He's affording it.
Yeah, that thing is awesome, dude. I'll be right back, Rob.
Still have like a lot of amenities and stuff like that.
Now I'm the camera guy. That's okay. I like Maddie enough to be the camera guy. Oh, I think the stock ride height on the 450 a little higher than Maddie's Colorado. But let's check out and see.
How does my mid-size truck look next to yours?
It looks mid-size.
I know. Oh, it's not that bad though.
He's got you.
It's not that bad though.
I don't know, what do you guys think?
Look, I'll stay here in the middle.
Get a foot on each tire.
That's my thumbnail.
All right, hold on. All right, that looks like a thumbnail right there. Comment below, the Ford or the Colorado. If you're watching this on Maddie's channel, I think I know what you're gonna pick.
Yeah, boys, what do you guys think? So a little comparison, Ford and Chevy. It's crazy that my truck is not that small, which makes me proud. But now we're gonna get done it, and we're gonna head to Scott's house. So I see you guys there. Alright boys, I got back home and I was editing the video, and I have so much footage that I want to share with you guys, and I split in 2 videos. The next one is gonna be probably a tour of Scott's garage, and also we're gonna show that you can wrap anything in your car or truck. It's a really in-depth video. Another thing, I'm getting ready to install the rocket lights, so stay tuned for the next couple of videos. And also in a week and a half I have a big announcement to make, so I hope you guys stay tuned for it. And as always, thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next upload, which is gonna be this garage tour. You don't want to miss it. It's so nice, I'm telling you. As always guys, enjoy your life.